Oh, what is up, you guys? It is me, Mario, and today I am going to be drawing me. First thing you have to do is pop open your marker. There we go. Now, second, you have to draw a circle. Move. Gotta draw a circle. Okay, we draw a circle. Oh yeah! We drew a circle. Okay, now second, you gotta like draw my head. Yeah, my head, and then my mouth, and then the top of my hat. And then we got like draw M, and then draw a big nose, and then draw eyes coming out. Oh my gosh, this looks terrible. And after that, you gotta, there we go. And then we drew me. It is Mario. They used to be a plumber, and now works for the video games. Plumber Mario. Daddy, what? I'm in the middle of a video. What the flip? What do you need me for? Oh, now, you remember yesterday about the Luigi incident? You know, the babysitting Luigi thing? Watch it now. Go. While you can, go on Papa Chase. Subscribe, like, comment, and then just watch the Luigi video, Chase's punishment. So yeah. Well, my friends came over today. Well, I met at school. At school, my friends said that they had the newest game on earth. Yes. Well, what is the new game called? Well, first of all, it's a console. And second, it's called the PSP.
Showing us, dog.
Yes. So can you get it for me, please? All right. I will get it for you if you sit in your room for about a good 10 seconds or 2 or 20 seconds. And let me finish this video. Then I'll buy you a PSP.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't care. I don't go to trailer park for that.
Oh my gosh, you're the best. You're the best friend ever. Yeah. No, you're the best dad ever. Yeah. Don't call you. Just call me Mario. All right. Now let me just go inside my room for 10 seconds, and then I'll come back and see if you have a PSP. All right, guys. We gotta complete this video. Now, after this video, I have to buy. Now, let's try to draw the rest of me. Oh yeah. We draw the body. There we go. Yeah, look at my body. I look dope, bro. I really look dope. There we go. After that is done, we're gonna go like that. There we go.
Honestly, I don't even like it.
And then we gotta do a box. Hey, I see it, bro. I see you. Mario, look at handsome over there. And then that's gonna go right there.
Just go. We'll meet up at retail, okay? I'm going around retail.
Oh my gosh. Daddy, what? Do you have my game? Oh crap. Alright, this is the end of the video. Goodbye. Okay, I need to go buy his game. Alright, I gotta go. Oh, okay. I finally got his game from Walmart. Let me see. Okay. The new Sona PSP. Oh, perfect! Why did I do that?
talk to her. Just don't be all weird with it. You can still talk to her.
What?
Just don't be
Where the freak? Where's the? Oh, it's a DVD player. I see now. That's perfect, bro. All right. I'm probably gonna like play with this for a little bit. But for right now, I'm about to give it to Chase, cause he needs it. Yeah, he keeps asking for it. Oh my God, just stick on. Dang, Daniel. Oh, I got it. Oh my gosh. Come on, you stupid old thing.
Right.
Oh my God.
Yo. Oh my God.
I'm coming to the living room. Okay, don't come yet. I'm coming to your room, Daddy. Don't you dare. Like, oh my gosh, why ain't this going on? I gotta like pop it in there like that.
There's a guy over here.
Oh yeah. And there goes the battery. Get the battery back. Here I come, Daddy. I'm walking downstairs. Okay. I'm here. Give me a second. Set it up for you and everything. Crap. Okay.
Look, there's a door right there.
Okay, it's in there. Yeah, that's in there. Come on down. Okay, I gotta finish my drawing.
Thanks for breaking your straps.
Here I come, Daddy. You got me the PSP. Can I play with it, Daddy? Yeah, you can play with it. I'm trying to finish my drawing, so shut the heck up. Daddy, you're the best. Okay, I'm gonna bring this to my room and play it all day. Why doesn't that kid have arms?
You don't see it?
Yay! You're not even out of my room. Go to your room. Oh, okay. Yay! Let me turn this baby on. Okay, I don't even know. Oh, no, it's not on. What the flip? Oh, Daddy, come here now. Oh, it's probably this, but this didn't come out before. Fix that. Oh my gosh.
Okay, come here.
Stuff's crap. I'm gonna kill you, boy. Kill. I got an idea. You shouldn't. I'll put this right there. And then there we go. Yeah, it popped right in.
Remember the guy that I got the guy had a launch pad.
Now, time to play my game. Yeah. Yeah, it sucks to be you cheater. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay, I got this. I got this, bro. What the flip? Okay, Wi-Fi disconnection. Turn on. Oh my gosh. What the flip is wrong with my thing? Get that. No! Ooh, I need to get. I'm gonna get some new games. What game is this? Suck me in. All right. Downloading. 46, 50, 100. Yay. Now let's play.
They have like 4 buttons there.
Would you like to suck yourself in? Sure. Hey. Where am I? Where am I?
We are heading for
I can only see black. Chase, why am I moving? Chase, are you okay? I'm handsome. Well, if I'm not in my body, then I'm in the game's body. I'm the game. Oh, I gotta see this. I can't drink water. This is stupid. I hate the video game. I'm not handsome. Oh my god. Oh no. I need to go into the studio. I need to go inside everything. I want to play it. Oh, I can't play because I don't have arms. Oh, water. I want to drink some water. Okay, get down there. Oh, and there goes the water. Oh, flashlight. Okay. Well, looks like the flashlight is plugged up. Man, I hate being a game. I hate being the game, bro. Dang it. I need to go call my friends and tell them to come over. Look that I am. Oh, my dad. I forgot about my dad. Daddy. Wait, who the freak are you? The game is alive. I knew this day will happen. Get out. Dad, you hurt me so bad. That's not Chase. That is his game. His game cannot talk. How's the game talking? Gosh. Okay, his battery is out. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it back in. I'm gonna give it to Chase. Chase. What is wrong with you? You left your PSP inside my room.
I was like, guys.
Wake up, Chase. Wake up. What? You're being a man in front of your dad, huh? Talk to me, son. You're not talking, huh? How you like about that? You still not talking? That gotta hurt. Say something and all of it will stop. He's probably dead. Daddy, it's me in here. I'm inside the game. That hurt real bad the way you just banged me on my own body. Huh. Oh my gotcha. Call my friends over. Yeah, tell them to come over, okay? Yeah. John's kid, John Jr. And, well, what's his name? I don't even know. Call Bully over and call John Jr. I think his name is Buddy. Oh, yeah. Call Buddy over, all right? And then, yeah, we'll get, yeah. Just call them over, and they can figure out how to get me out of this game, boy.
Right.
Okay, I got your phone. Call my friend. Okay. Oh my god. This is stupid. This is retarded. What is wrong with your phone? It's keep turning off on me.
Right. You don't get offended whenever we.
I hate this phone. I hate it. 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 Okay, turn it off. Turn it back on. Stupid. Okay, I'm gonna call your friend.
Yo, you're scaring me. Oh my gosh. Kill him.
Okay. Hello? Is this? Oh, hi. What's up, Mario? Oh. Can Buddy come over? Yeah, sure. I want him over my house anyway. All right. Now I need to call Bully. Oh, hello. Oh, what's up? Hi, my name is Mario. We never met before. But can Bully come over? Sure. He'll be over in a second. Dang. Goodbye. Dang, goodbye. I want to talk. Dang. Okay, they're coming over. Oh, thanks, Mario. Can I play a game on your face? Just go ahead. Go right ahead. Okay.
I heard that.
Hey there, kid. It's me. Where's little piggy? You? Now, today is I hate my life. Ha. I like the way he talks. I love Wiggy the Piggy, don't you? Yeah. Hey, children. What? Mom, you gotta come over to Chaise's house. Okay, Mommy. Bye, buddy. Bye. Hey! What? Dad? You gotta come over to Chaise's house. I'm in the middle of my favorite show, Wiggy the Piggy. Yeah, and I'm in the middle of my show, Charlie and Friends. Now go to Chaise's house. Okay. Yeah, your mom's making you go over to Chaise's house too. Yeah. Actually, I don't have a mom. I have a dad. Oh yeah, I forgot. Why are we so close to each other? I don't even know. Okay. We're at their door. Let's open it up. Oh, Mario, you have a PSP? Mario, you have a PSP? Yeah, no, yeah, I do. That's the newest game ever! Move. What the fuck? It's my game. What's this new game? What new game? Oh, it says, turn off, bring back. I don't even know. A, turn off, press circle. Circle. Yeah. No. What the? Mom, I'm stuck inside the. What the? Oh. Did I just get beat? A whole bunch? All over? Ow, it just hurts. Oh, hi, John. Hi, buddy and Bully. What's up, dude? What the flip just happened? Oh, see, I downloaded this new game. It's called Bring Me In Game. If you press A, it's on. So when I pressed A, it sucked me inside the game, and then my body was left. And then that's when I was controlled by the game. No wonder why I had the same voice. What the freak would you think? There was a video game walking around having my same voice whenever it could have been me. I don't know. It's PSP. It's a game. They don't usually do that. Daddy, here, play a game on your phone. Play a game on your phone. Okay. New app installed. I wonder what that is. Suck me in. Yeah, press on. Okay, on. Oh my gosh, Chase. Touche. Yeah, that's what you get. Get me out of this phone now. No. Get me out of this phone.